A liquid inside a vessel shows pressure readings of 60 kPa and 85.5 kPa at points located 6 meters and 3 meters respectively above the base of the vessel. Determine the unit weight of the liquid in kilonewton per cubic meter. Alright, ito po yung kondisyon natin dito sa problem. So, merong isang liquid, hindi natin alam yung unit weight, yan yung pinapahana. Yung reading daw, at 6 meters and 3 meters from the base, 60 kilopascal doon sa 6 meters from the base of the vessel, 85.5 kilopascal 3 meters from the base of the vessel. Ang tanong dito, evaluate the unit weight. There is two pressures, so yung pressure difference is equals to gamma times height. So ito yung ating H, tawagin nating H. Ang pressure difference P2 minus P1, tawagin kong P2 yung nasa baba no minus P1, is equals to the gamma of the liquid, kasi liquid yung andito, times the height. Ganun po yung concern. So, ang P2 natin is 85.5, P1 is 60, dama ng liquid, which is yung pinapakana sa problem, and then yung H. Yung H dito is 6 minus 3. That is 3 meters, so answer is 8.5 kilonewton per cubic meter.